Your puppy's first year will bring with it lots of joy and some sweet milestones. So while your veterinarian will help you learn the specific needs of your furry friend, most puppies follow some common life stages. Hello, I'm Dr. Natalie Marks alongside Olivia and Winston. And today we're going to talk about what to expect in your puppy's first year and some tips to help you with your puppy's development. Olivia, what's on your mind?
I adopted a brand new puppy and I'm nervous because they're so tiny. What should I expect from a newborn puppy?
Well, during this time, puppies are most influenced by their mother and litter mates. While touch and taste are present at birth, at around 2 to 4 weeks old, eyes open, the baby teeth break out, and they develop their hearing and sharp sense of smell. So we've covered those first few weeks, which can be really eventful. Now let's look at those 1 to 3 month milestones.
Yeah, as we hit 2 months, I'm wondering, what can I expect from them? What should I be looking out for, and is there anything I should be doing now?
Congratulations! At about 8 weeks old, your puppy will be ready to come home. By this time, they've developed some social skills, an inhibited bite, and physical coordination. They may show signs of fear, so give them lots of positive training to help them overcome it. Time to take your puppy to the veterinarian. Discuss the best puppy food, feeding schedule, and training tips.
What should we expect in the first few days of bringing home a puppy? Anything we should prep or already have at home?
Great question. In the first 48 hours with your new puppy, the entire family will experience something new and exciting together. It can give you the chance to learn, grow, and introduce your new furry family and take the time needed to be there and get to know your new best friend. Make sure you puppy-proofed your home. You never know what your pet may try to get into while exploring their space. Also, it's helpful if you have pet care supplies ready, like a collar, leash, food and water bowls, puppy food, a crate, bed, and puppy toys. Pick out a veterinarian prior to bringing your furry friend home so they can go to the vet as soon as you get them.
Speaking of tips, my puppy seems to be chewing on everything. Is there anything that can help?
As your puppy begins teething, they'll likely feel the need to chew a lot to relieve the irritation in their gums. Provide lots of acceptable chew toys to avoid too much unwanted chewing on household items. At 4 months old, they may start experiencing another fear stage.
Fear stage?
Fear stages are a normal part of a puppy's development. They last roughly 2 to 3 weeks, and during this time, your puppy is extremely sensitive to shocks or traumatic experiences, more so than usual. These events can imprint on your dog's mind and stick with them for a long time.
So, avoid traumatizing my dog.
Well, that's a good rule in general, isn't it? But yes, puppies typically go through 2 of these stages, often at around 8 to 11 weeks of age, and again at 6 to 14 months old. You may notice they suddenly react to something they didn't react to before, are nervous to go places they've already explored, and other similar displays of just being a little more afraid than usual.
But it's normal?
Yes, it's totally normal. There's a theory that this may be a crucial part of developing a dog's fight or flight response, which obviously is wired for being in the wild versus living in a house with your vacuum cleaner. If you notice this fear stage coming on, just stay calm. Try to redirect your dog's focus with positive reinforcement and continue the positive training. They'll outgrow it in no time at all.
No big new surprises like introducing a bunch of new people during those 2 weeks then.
Maybe hold off on that surprise party, but introductions are still important. Social relationships start to become clear as they learn their place in the pack. This will include other animals in the home and you. They may challenge relationships and could become territorial. This is normal, so remain patient and diligent in training.
Thank you. That's good to know about relationships. When should I consider spaying or neutering? Is that something I should be thinking about now?
Both male and female puppies can start to show sexual behavior, so at the 6 to 9 month age, it is a good time to decide if you're spaying or neutering. Females can get pregnant once they've had their first heat, usually by 6 months. If you have a larger breed, consult with your veterinarian about delaying your spay or neuter up until 12 months. You can also expect your pet to keep testing and reinforcing their status in the household. They may become less interested in pleasing you, just like a teenager, but it's all a part of their development. Your pet will likely go through another chewing phase as they explore their environment, which could result in ruined dog toys and damaged household items. Don't worry, they will outgrow it, but have lots of chew toys on hand.
More chewing. Good to know. We'll stock up on chew toys. How long do you think my puppy will continue to act like a puppy?
While they have more growing to do physically, puppies from larger breeds will continue to act more like puppies up until about 18 months. And pups from smaller breeds will have socially matured by about 12 months. With proper training and clear boundaries, your pup will start settling into their place in the pack without the need to continue testing rules and limitations. Make sure to keep up with their routine. Continue engaging your pup in activities, keeping them excited and happy as they keep learning, growing, and loving you. Between schedules, training, play, and enrichment, your puppy will keep you busy in the first year. But by taking the time to set up a schedule, prep your environment, and talking with your veterinarian, you're all set for a year of fun and learning together.